Hello viewers and welcome to this video. Today I want us to look at a question on numerical differentiation. Viewers, I've already introduced you to numerical differentiation. Those of you who have not watched my video on introduction to numerical differentiation, you are advised to do that before watching this. Yes, the question is, find the first, second and third derivatives of the function tabulated below at the point x equal to 1.5. So these are the x values and these are the corresponding functional values. Viewers, when this is given to you, first of all, you have to construct what we call forward differences table. I have videos on introduction to finite differences interpolation, forward differences interpolation, backward differences interpolation, and then central differences interpolation. Viewers, we are advised to watch all those videos before watching this. Okay, so when you are constructing the forward differences table, it's so simple. These are the x values and these are the corresponding functional values. And then you subtract this from this and write it here. You subtract this one from this and write it at the middle. Subtract this from this and write it here. Subtract this from this, write it here. Subtract this from this, write it here. So these are the first forward differences. Now move on to the second forward differences. The same way, subtract this from this and write it at the middle. Subtract this from this, so write it here. Subtract it from this, write it here. Subtract this from this, write it here. It's not difficult at all. Then look at the third forward differences. So this one, subtract this from this, write it here. Subtract this from this, write it here. And then you stop working on the table when you see that you're getting a constant value. So what this means is that if you are to find the four forward differences, we are going to get this one will be 0, this one will be 0. Do you see? So you stop when you see that you are getting a constant value. Okay. Now having obtained this, we are saying that here you have been asked to find the first, second, and third derivatives of the function tabulated below at x equal to 1.5. So straight away it means that our x0 is 1.5. So S0 will be equal to SP. So we avoid the video on the forward differences interpolation, introduction to finite differences interpolation, backward difference interpolation, central difference interpolation. This will not be a problem to you at all. Okay, so I have this way. So S0 is equal to SP and this is equal to 1.5. So if you want to find the H, the constant range between the successive values of X, then it will be 2 isolated minus 1.5, then it's 0.5. And this one, somebody can decide to subtract this from this, you get the same thing. If you want the H, that's a constant range between the successive values of X. Now, having obtained this, if you find P, which was clearly explained in those videos, P is equal to SP minus S0 over H. Isolate over H. And then, because SP is 1.5, S0 is 1.5, you're going to have divided by 0.5, this one will be equal to 0. So this means that P is equal to 0. Now using the change for difference derivation formula at S equal to S0, which we derived in that video, introduction to numerical differentiation. So this is the first one. We said that f prime of S0, that is the first derivative of the function evaluated at S0, will be given by this. All these formulas were derived. Okay, or formulae were derived. Okay, so this is the first one. So if you have asked to find the first derivative evaluated at 1.5, so it means this is equal to this. Now look on the board. This is delta F0, delta squared F0, delta cubed F0, delta raised to the power 4 F0. You guys look on the board. You see, we are saying that this one is S0. If this is S0, then this one will be the corresponding functional value F0. Isn't it? So this one will be F0. Now if this is F0, then this one will be delta F0. This one will be delta squared F0. This one will be delta cubed F0. Isn't it? That's why I'm saying that you have to watch those videos. Forward differences interpolation, introduction to finite differences interpolation, backward differences interpolation, then central difference interpolation. If you watch those videos, this will not be a problem to you at all. So this is delta F0, delta squared F0, then delta cubed f naught. I think so. This one is delta f naught, delta squared f naught, delta cubed f naught. So if you come here, you just do the substitution. Delta f naught, this is delta f naught, isn't it? Delta squared f naught is here, delta cubed f naught. Viewers, you see, you don't have delta raised to the power 4 f naught. Because if you extend this one, this one will be 0. You see? So 1 over 4 times 0, and it will go to 0. So you can even decide to ignore it. That's why the table is stopped when you saw that you're getting a constant value throughout. Okay, so when you do the calculations, you should get 4.75. It means that whatever function this is coming from, this table is coming from, when that function is differentiated and evaluated at 1.5, you are going to get 4.75. Yes, viewers, this is the power of numerical differentiation. Now, looking at the second one, let's look at the second one, the second derivative. The second derivative is given by this formula. And again, this one was also derived. All these were derived in that video. And then when you do the substitution, the second derivative evaluated at 1.5, look at it. Delta squared f naught is this. This one is 0.75. And then this one is 0. So when you do the substitution, I'm getting 9. And then finally, you want the third derivative because we are asked to find the first, second, and third derivatives evaluated at 1.5. So the third derivative will be given by this. Yes, this formula is also from there. And then when you do the substitution, you're going to get 6. So it means that when you know that function which is not known, if you know the function and you differentiate it 3 times and put in 1.5, you're going to get this. Are you seeing it? So this is the essence of numerical differentiation. Thank you very much for your attention. For more of this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shamalaa Jnr, if you have not done so.